Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. Now the most notable features on this LTZ is its power liftgate. You also have your DVD player and your heated and cooled front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LTZ is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side here, you'll see your 20-inch wheels. You also have your running boards. And then if we take a look up top here, you have your foldable mirrors, and I should say power folding as well. And then on the inside of the mirror here, you'll see your integrated control signals, and then you also have your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with your blind spot monitoring indicator, it'll actually light up just alerting you that there is another vehicle right beside you. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. And to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left hand side, you're going to see your light controls as well as your 4x4 select. On the inside of your driver's side door, you'll see your seat memory controls along with your heated and cooled front seat controls. Mirror controls, power folding mirror button, mirror controls, window locks, and power locks. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your cruise control settings with your heated steering wheel control. And then you also have your seat function, volume control, source, or your Bluetooth connectivity instead of your volume control. Sorry about that, folks. Now I'm just going to start up the vehicle just so I can show you what it's currently sitting at kilometer-wise. So as you can see, you also have an exterior temperature gauge, and the other nice thing is that you can actually go through some of the options through here just by using the controls that you see at the top there. Now as you can see, you have your trip info, fuel range, average fuel economy, and a couple of other additional features as well. Now taking a look at the center dash as well as your display, you'll see a couple of different options on here. As you can see, you have your AM, FM, as well as your CD player with your XM satellite radio. You also have the navigation system on here as well. Temperature control settings located down below for your dual zone climate control. You have your power pedal adjustment, rear parking sensors on and off, traction control on and off. And if we take a look just at the very top here, as you can see, you have your OnStar availability up there. Power liftgate controls as well as your power moonroof controls, integrated garage door opener controls. And I'm just going to throw this into reverse just so I can show you what the backup camera looks like. So as you can see, with the backup camera, you have those guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you try to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just underneath your Chevy emblem, and then you'll find your rear hatch release located down below. Now the other nice thing is you do have the parking sensors just located on your rear bumper as well. And as you can see, with your third row, it's a 50-50 split. So depending on what your needs are for, you can have one of them up or both of them up. The other nice thing is you can have these seats actually taken out afterwards if you're not using them at all. And then that way you have so much more cargo space. You have a 50-50, or I should say captain seats in your second row with that DVD player just at the front there as well, so you can entertain the kids on the trip. Now those captain seats are also heated as well, so not only do you get to enjoy a nice warm comfort zone, but so do your second row passengers as well, especially during the winter time. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.